Hello viewers, Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale and Amazon Great Indian Festival are running right now. Many people are confused between Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 and iPad 11th generation. They are asking me repeatedly which tablet or iPad they should go for. There is a price cap of around 7 to 8,000 rupees. If you want to buy iPad 11th generation, in that case the price that you have to pay is around 29,000 rupees. On the other hand, the price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 in Amazon.in is around 35,000 rupees using SBI credit card. Definitely Tab S9 is a flagship level tablet. On the other hand, iPad 11th generation comes with a 16 Bionic chipset, so both are equally powerful. But in terms of portability and battery backup, software updates, I think iPad 11th generation would be better. But I would not say that Samsung Tab S9 is a bad tablet. This is also a very good tablet, you can buy it. But if you want to edit videos and do stuff like heavy gaming, and also you want to have regular software updates, in that case iPad 11th generation would be better. If I had to choose between these two products, I would definitely choose iPad 11th generation. One of the users asked me that I have bought Redmi Pad Pro Wi-Fi variant at 15,499 rupees. It is a good deal or not? I think this is a very good deal that you have got, because Redmi Pad Pro is a very good tablet to have a very good experience while multitasking. Battery backup is also very good, display is good, and you can also write if you use any Redmi pen. So in considering all the factors, I think Redmi Pad Pro at 15,499 rupees is a decent buy. Another user has a long question. I am thinking of getting a tablet for studying, teaching and note taking, meaning the use will probably consist of reading and annotation PDFs, writing and explaining stuff, preparing notes using OBS Studio or other similar recording platforms, other miscellaneous stuff related online teaching and note taking. I have gone through the internet and seems like these are suitable for me. Samsung Galaxy S9 FE and S9 FE Plus or iPad 11th generation or iPad A16. Please tell me what would be a good buy among these. If there are other better options, please tell me so. Actually, you did not mention any budget for your tablet buying, but I think you are expecting a tablet at around 30,000 or below. So in that case, you can buy Apple's iPad A16. If you buy Apple A16 or iPad 11th generation, you can do all the stuffs that you have mentioned in your comment section. The only thing that you have to buy is a third-party Ipencil that I will put the link in the description. For long-term usage, I think iPad is the best choice because you will get regular software updates. Even in Samsung tablets, you will get updates, but this is not as smooth as Apple. Another user wanted to know, last night I bought iPad 11th generation 256GB Wi-Fi only at 41,000 rupees. Is it a good deal or not? I think the price is little bit on the higher side, because the best price for the 256GB variant is around 37 to 38,000 rupees maximum. Since you have already purchased it, there is no point of repentance. Another user wants to know whether he should buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus at a price point of 62,000 rupees. I think right now this is the best price for this tablet, though this is not a good deal at all. You will get more discounts in the upcoming sales, maybe Diwali sale or Christmas sale, so you have to wait. But if you can't wait, you can definitely buy this tablet at 62,000 rupees. But personally, I feel that 62,000 for an Android tablet is a waste of money. Rather, you should go for iPad Air or iPad Pro if you get. Many people have bought iPad 11th generation and they are asking me about alternative Ipencil. I have been using Kingone Ipencil for a couple of months and the performance of this Ipencil is top notch. You can definitely buy this Ipencil. Currently the price of this Ipencil is little bit on the lower side, so this is the best chance for you to buy this Ipencil. I will put the link in the description. You can click the link and buy that product. Many medical students actually ask me which tablet or iPad they should prefer. I think if you have a budget of 30,000 rupees, you can definitely use iPad 11th generation. Most of the medical students actually use iPads. But if you don't like iPad, in that case, you can consider Samsung tablets for note taking and many other stuffs. Many people actually want to buy laptops during this sale, so they are asking me to suggest the best laptop under 45,000 rupees. Today in this video I will mention 3 laptops that you can buy under 45,000 rupees from Amazon.in. The first laptop that you can buy is HP 15 13th Gen Intel Core i5 1334U laptop. It has 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and 512 GB SSD storage. The display is anti-glare and it will give you a very good experience. The next laptop that you can buy is Lenovo ThinkBook 16 AMD Ryzen 7 777535HS. It has 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB SSD storage. It runs on Windows 11 Home. It has backlit keyboard and the display will be very good on these laptops. The next laptop that you can buy is Dell 15 Intel Core i5 13th Gen 1334U laptop. It has 16 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD storage. So this is also a very good laptop that you can buy under the price bracket of 45,000 rupees. All 3 laptops are available in Amazon.in. You have to have SBI credit card to avail best discounts on these laptops. The price of all these laptops will go on when the sale will end. So if you are planning to buy any laptop right now, you can definitely buy. These are the best products and these are the best pricing for these laptops. Currently the sale is running on, so if you want to buy any product, you can buy with credit card discount. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. And please like this video and hype this video to get notified about the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.